Penang Hill's Habitat is a world-class rainforest discovery center nestled within the lush greenery of Penang Hill, Malaysia. It offers visitors a unique opportunity to immerse themselves in the island's rich biodiversity and learn about the importance of rainforest conservation. You need to take the historic Penang Hill funicular railway from Air Item to the top of Penang Hill. From the upper station, it's a short walk to the Habitat entrance. The Habitat actively promotes conservation efforts and sustainable practices. You can learn about the rainforest ecosystem through interactive exhibits and informative displays. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a photographer, or simply seeking a peaceful escape, the Habitat Penang Hill offers a memorable experience. It's a chance to connect with nature, learn about the rainforest, and appreciate the beauty of Penang's natural heritage.
Itu dunia lain. Laptop Harry Potter kan ada langkau dinding. Ayo. Yang genting tu lah.
Bukan yang ini.
Yang tak, ni tak.
Yang dulu tak ada aircon. Dia ada kipas juga. Macam langkau punya.
Tapi shape dia macam ni juga.
Sikit. Separuh ni.
Separuh. Oh.
Ni panjang ni macam train. Amuk tak nak. Oh, tengok timing berapa, how long does it take?
Oh, okay.
Dia ada SOP.
Wait. SOP dia.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 mana? 1, 2, 3 arrival. Tengok siapa naik.
Bas UPM.
Menyadin kau di dalam tik.
Menyadin.
Ini lah ni. Kan tadi cuma ada foto kan? Ada. Enggak, pasal radio. Ambil gambar. Awak tak? Kan saja ke pasti.
Okay.
Laju kan?
Wah.
Dulu lebat gila. Tiba-tiba dia terhenti tengok. Lepas tu kau tak tahu lagi mana.
Guna for a review.
Cik laju. Serius. Lagi laju pada genting. Tengok kiri kanan. Ada kampung. Oh. Alamak, tinggal dalam rantok.
Dah laju sangat.
Itulah.
Timing kan cun-cun ni kan.
Kan?
Sekali tajun macam mana?
Macam kita dalam movie. Ini yang lama. Ini mana sih? Sama tak ada dia kasih tu kan. Balik kita dulu. Kiri kanan. sejuk.
Sejuk. Wah, okey sikit lah. Panas kan? Bagian bawah.
Oh, itulah. Ni bunga kuning.
Pokok lain-lain.
Tahan dulu.
Ada lembu ya?
Hah?
Ada lembu.
Banyak.
Allah boleh.
Mata kena scan.
Dah cakap lembu ni hati tak terbaik tak bagus.
Itulah.
Saya pernah jumpa tu lembu kan, gila hati. Tak
Berapa tu?
cantik kan. Terus tak nampak cantik.
Itulah. Dia kena dua-dua.
Ya. Dapat kekis. Kalau tak cantik sangat pun dia cantik mata you.
Okey.
Cukup dah. Saya yang kita cantik. Mesti tak sesuai dengan kita.
Yalah.
Itu nanti silap ada jumpa lain. Cantik ya.
Cantik ni.
Sejuk lah.
Ya kan? Just dah tinggi.
Hampir puncak. Hampir lah. Kita nak pergi masuk ke entrance Habitat. Mana? Sejuk lah. Kenapa kena ada benda ni? Ada kurang kat atas ni. But why? Yeah. Some Highland.
Morning glory.
I used to have pokok ni dulu kat rumah, tapi ada orang bunuh. Ipomia tricolor dengan pokok ni juga. Bukan?
Sekejap. Dua ni sama ke?
Lain.
Tak
Ini pokok
lah.
lain.
Oh.
Kau ambil gambar je dia tangan.
Bukan.
Encik Rizal tak nak ikut?
Ha?
Encik Rizal tak nak ikut ke? Cik tu.
Cik tu tak nak. Dia
Nak lihat. Itulah.
Tadi dah pergi biasa.
Oh, pernah datang lah.
Dia kadang memang biasa bawa foreigner kan.
Oh,
Kadang macam event.
memang datang sini.
Sebelum ni lagi banyak.
Oh, itulah
Lepas
sebelum
COVID ni
SDO.
slow
Oh,
sikit
ya.
Macam satu fakulti satu fakulti tu banyaklah event.
Oh,
Tapi masa sekarang ni slow sikit. No problem.
Nanti aku nak tunjuk kamu.
Ha? Oh, okey. Jalan about 2 minit daripada sampai Bukit Bendera tu.
Ambil gambar tu. Caterpillar. Caterpillar.
Apa tu?
Menyelipik.
Menyelipik.
Oh, dia rumah ni. Ni kat atas.
You'll see it like that. Mum was a bug.
Will we walk back through?
I think so. Yeah. My mum remembered.
Kan banyak pokok.
Ya, sebab Zairah di sini. Terima kasih Zairah.
Oh, akak ambil tu ke? Okey.
Ada klip tak? Ada klip. Sangkut kat beg akak je.
Ha?
Ada klip ke?
Klip apa?
Tak ada.
Tak ada.
Would you talk about Wonderland?
Ya,
No. Okay, this is the tropical spot.
Yes, I normally use English also. What is this for?
Mic for this week.
Oh, okay. So this is the whole group, is it?
Yeah, this whole group
I
ada
see.
9 orang.
Ada 9 orang?
Yeah.
Not 10? I think.
Seorang kereta rosak, tak ada lain.
Okay. Alright, well, yeah. Alright, so hi, welcome everyone to the Habitat Penang Hill. My name is Karina. Oh, you want me to clip, is it?
Ya,
I
clip
see.
size dia dekat.
Let me see. What is this for? Suddenly it makes me nervous. what with the mic and everything? I wasn't expecting this. Okay, welcome to the Habitat Penang Hill to everyone. My name is Karina. I'll be your nature guide for today. So before we start our guided walk, I would like to ask if anyone need to use the washroom first, because our guided walk normally takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So you don't want your bladders to disturb.
But we are in nature. How about nature
Still.
calling gold nature?
Still.
Wake up.
We don't need fertilizer from you. Okay, so right here I have all the tickets for all of you. So each one of you can take one ticket. Keep it with you all the way until the end, because you need to scan it to enter. You're welcome to enter and also to exit later. Here you go. Welcome. Here you go. Here we go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Can I know, like, before we start, like, I'm aware that you guys were requesting for a guide with biology background.
Yeah.
What is this group, by the way? I know that you are all from UPM.
From UPM, we got visitors from the UK now.
Yes.
And these are plant scientists from the
Plant
UK.
scientists, I
Yeah.
see. Okay, sure. All right, so whenever you're ready, we shall start the guided walk. Okay, this way. So you can enter both way, up to you. So this is part of your program for your uni, or
Yeah.
I see.
So kita record sebab nanti nak tunggu dekat kelas untuk yang tak dapat ikut.
Oh,
UPM punya lesson.
I see.
Yeah.
But I know what school is this?
UPM.
I mean,
Faculty
sorry.
Agriculture.
Yeah. because I'm from USM, so normally we call faculty at school.
Oh,
Is that, what school is this?
Faculty of Agriculture, Department of Crop Science.
I see. Welcome everyone. So before we start with the guided walk, may I know, is this everyone's first visit to the habitat? Yes. Ah, wonderful. Then I can start from scratch. Sometimes we have some groups already came before, some never, so I don't have to repeat stories. Well, all right, from here I'm going to start with everything. I think I should introduce the habitat first. That's the most important part. So the Habitat Penang Hill, we opened in 2016. So when we first opened, we only have the nature trail. I think you probably aware that in the habitat we have this beautiful treetop walk with the canopy bridge, everything. When we first opened, we only have this trail. It's about 1.6 kilometer from beginning till the end. Very easy walking, no hiking involved, only going up to the treetop. You might need a little bit of energy, but the rest is very easy. And inside here we have many species of plants, of course. Being rainforest, we have many species of plants. As we walk along the way, if you have any question you would want to know, be it about the plants, animals, or the history also, feel free to ask me, because the wonderful thing about, look at that. I think you guys probably saw it already at the main entrance. You see the white hair, black colored monkey. So this is one of the 2 species of monkey we can find on Penang Island. In Penang, there are only 2 species. You either see the macaque, or this dusky leaf monkey.
Why is it here? Is it your pet?
Penang Hill's pet, no, just kidding. This is one of the family that always come around here on Penang Hill. I noticed that there are 4 families going around. In each family, they have 15 to 20 individuals. And if you're lucky, when you go back later, back to the train station, try to look around. If you see these monkeys, you might be able to see the baby. Have you seen the baby before? Dusky leaf monkey or langur in general, their babies are very unique. Yeah, I think in KL, you can see the silver leaf monkey. They look similar, and then their babies also similar in a way that they're all yellow.
Where in KL? Pavilion?
I'm not sure. Definitely not that. So since we get to see that monkey anyway, so I'm just gonna show you a little bit the photo. Yes.
It's orange.
Yes.
So the baby,
yes,
different color. Then it gets.
As it gets older, it will start to change color. That's why I hope that we get to see the family, the whole family. Because right now, a few of the family that have baby around, the babies stay this way for the first 4 to 6 months, and eventually they turns black color. The purpose of it, one of the hypotheses is that so it's easier for the adults to find the baby. Yes, locate the baby. Sometimes locate the baby, because sometimes the young, they are quite naughty. They want to be away from the adults, and sometimes they're a bit too far, and then. Up here, we don't have like big predators like on the mainland, like tigers. We don't have those predators. What we have are python and also birds of prey, the eagles. So those are the predators that can hunt all these monkeys. So we shall walk along the trail, and I will share with you more about this part of the forest. One thing I love about the habitat is that unlike the front part where it can be crowded sometimes, here it's very quiet and peaceful. And not only that, Penang Hill is very rich with species diversity. I think you can hear already the calls of the cicadas welcoming everyone. It's also very rich with history also. As we walk along the trail, I will show you some buildings that has very significant historical value. Like this one, for example, this used to be a horse stable, just to share with you. Although it's not really nature related, it used to be a horse stable, because last time the only way to come up to Penang Hill is through the jeep track from Penang Botanic Garden. Have you visited Penang Botanic Garden?
Yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, yesterday.
So you probably noticed cars coming up and down from the side. Yes.
The charge is like 120 ringgit if we would like to have the ride.
Oh, okay. That is another way to come up, actually. So it's a 5-kilometer hike if you want to come up by foot.
Thank you.
So in the olden days, in the 1800s, that was the only way to come up to Penang Hill. You either hike, if you can afford, you can sit on a sedan chair carried by 4 to 8. They call them coolies at the time, all the way from down there up here. And then the last one is this one. Sit on the back of a pony, and then here you are up on top of Penang Hill. I think we have, yes. That's a plant hopper, actually. Yes. Okay, you can come closer. We have something on the signage here.
Is that a butterfly?
No, that is a plant hopper. Yeah, plant hopper. Let me try. Touch it. If it jump, then it's a plant hopper. Yep, it is a plant hopper. So the way it skipped its lip just now, that shows that it's a plant hopper. So here I think everyone should know this plant.
Cat's whiskers.
Yes, cat whisker. These are all planted. Some of the plants right next to the trail are planted, but beyond, yes,
Ethnobotanically, they use this for diabetes.
diabetes.
It's the tea scent. Yeah.
Yes, you can buy the tea. Well, right now we are out of stock, but the tea is wonderful because in here we have a program called forest bathing, and we do have tea session. We always serve the cat whisker tea. It's wonderful. So in November 2019, before COVID hit the whole world,
I know her.
yes, we had the honor to receive Dr. Jane Goodall here in the Habitat. So she was like giving speech here, walk around inside here, enjoy watching the monkeys. So of course,
How do you pronounce the surname?
Jane Goodall.
Goodall. Okay. Jane Goodall approved.
Jane Goodall approved. Yes. Let's continue walking around here. Just look around if you see anything, because I believe everyone have different things they are curious about. I will try my best to answer everyone's question. Mangkuang. Oh, that down there. Yes, pandanus.
Yeah.
Yes, mangkuang. We have a few species. These are the forest species. We have coastal species as well. I'm not sure. I think we can do a little bit of exchange of knowledge also. Like for pandanus, right? The fruit, I can see that macaque feed on them, but for us human, is it safe to eat? Yeah.
Hard to say because sometimes in animals,
Yes.
they have specific genes to break down some
Yes.
chemicals.
Oh.
It might. Okay for that. That's why cats can eat out of the garbage. You can't do that. Yeah.
But if I'm not mistaken, like macaque share very similar digestive system with human, hence why they can consume what we feed on as well.
Do you have prisons in Penang?
A prison?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah, bring those to
Feed them to the
the
prisoners.
terminal prisoners. Have it.
And see what happens.
See what happens. I mean, like, come on, you're going anywhere.
I can hear some bird calls as well. I'm not sure if there are any bird. Chestnut-breasted macaque. Okay, up here. There's a big bird. One of the biggest frugivorous birds in here. Yeah, it's up here. Right here. Yes. Very big bird. Okay. Don't worry, I got the pictures. Just in case sometimes everyone see, only that one person cannot see. That's why I have my book with me, just in case that person, we don't want them to feel like, missing out, FOMO. So, okay. Let me find chestnut-breasted macaque.
I brought my binoculars.
Oh, there? Yep, right there. They're always flying in pair. So yeah, very big size bird actually. When they are on trees like this, they always hop. There you go. They always hop around instead of like they're flying all the time. That's big size birds. Oh, they are frugivorous. I think everyone see. I don't have the picture, sorry.
If you go to USM Library,
Yes.
I think there is a book dedicated to old Malaya ethnobotanical uses.
Okay.
They might have mentioned something about that.
The pandanus?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ethnobotany.
Ethnobotany. Because a lot of people asking like, can we eat this? Everything they keep asking whether can eat. And like, this one is edible. Yes, for sure. Yes, it is jackfruit. The jackfruit right here. So there's do you know in Malay we have two types of jackfruit, cempedak and nangka. Yeah, both are called jackfruit.
Artocarpus.
Yes, Artocarpus. Yes. We have a lot of Artocarpus in here as well. Terap nasi.
Oh, terap.
We have
Sabah hari itu.
in Sabah, buah terap.
Buah terap, yeah.
So along this wall, we have many species of orchids and hoya as well. So we have hoya. We have this chandere orchids. I believe everyone here probably know already. These are all lithophytic and also epiphytic plants. That one is the Philippine ground orchid, the purple color one. Yeah, we have a lot of them. Like if you come like 1 week earlier, you might get to see the pigeon orchid flowering. The pigeon orchids was flowering. Do you know? Oh, the macaque is here. Sorry. That's the thing about like guides easily distracted because all these animals flying around.
We need that.
You can come this way. You'll get to there you go. Yes. Very big size.
Come this way.
So this is to let everyone clear about the name chestnut-breasted malkoha, the only malkoha species on the island. Yes, very specific. Yeah. So yeah, along this wall we have many species of orchids, and you can see our Hoya. If you touch the Hoya leaf, right, they're quite hardy, isn't it? Like, they're quite hardy. But I was surprised to find that actually there are some species of caterpillar feed on them. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this butterfly, white color. It's called smaller wood nymph. I hope we get to see as we walk along the trail. The caterpillar feed on this. So you can see all these bite marks here.
Oh, yeah, flowers are pretty.
Yes, and the smell, very fragrant also, the flower.
What kind of photosynthesis is this?
Oh, okay. May I like, who are the students? Who are the? I'm kind of curious also actually, because everyone look like very similar in age. So
I think you're being very kind.
so I'm not sure who's the teacher here and who are the students.
Definitely the president.
Okay. Oh, the four of your students. I see. Okay, okay. So you're their lecturer, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I
yeah.
see.
These are my minions.
Oh, your minions. Oh yeah, the sleeper orchid is still here. Okay, it's towards the end of the flowering. I wouldn't call season also. It's towards the end of the flowering time already. Because last time we get to see a lot of the flower. Now just this is the last one probably. Oh, Helen. So this on normal days when it's not flowering, we always put it in our nursery because you know sleeper orchid is one of the sought after orchid. So yeah, soon we're gonna remove it already. And right here we have some bamboo orchid. If you are a frequent visitor to Cameron Highland, along the way you always you will always see this. Sorry, bamboo orchid. This one is busy Lizzie. Busy Lizzie is a planted one.
Vinca.
So, but then they can disperse so easily. Like you just press on the seed and then there you go. That's why we have so many of them around here. But it is also a good thing because you see the big butterfly just now. It attracts that butterfly. And the unique thing about this impatient, actually the genus is called is impatient. You see this part right here? Very unique, right? So only certain species of insects can come and collect the nectar, like because like butterfly they have the long proboscis, hence it can go in. You see a lot of butterflies here. Bees not so much. And on our right we have tiger orchids. Yeah, tiger orchids, one of the heaviest, actually largest orchid in the world. This is of course harvested and put here. In the wild they are like that, like the bird nest fern up there sitting on top of a tree, epiphytic orchids. If you got a chance to go around Penang more, there is one place called Sungai Ara. There's a hiking trail there. The largest tiger orchid in Penang is right there. Are you familiar with Rexy Prakash? He's the orchid guy here in Penang. He actually published a book also on orchids in Penang. Yeah.
I know orchids, but I don't know people.
So according to him, that is the largest orchid in Penang. More of this. Of course, tiger orchids, they don't really flower often. They don't really bloom often. Once every 4 to 5 years, I'd say. Yes, very famous plant during the pandemic. My mom has many different variety of this. We call what is it called?
Coleus.
Coleus, yes. Api. So yes, Coleus is.
Well, yeah, we have it at home.
You do?
Yeah.
Yes.
Inside.
And it has many different variety, different patterns. Oh, this is lipstick plant.
Lipstick.
Very obvious why it's called lipstick. Here we have some of the orchids are flowering at the moment. Oh, we have a bulbul up there. Let me see. Where are you? Gray-bellied bulbul. So this is a gray-bellied bulbul. Burung merbah in Malay. Any birds lover here? Like you actually purposely go out just to watch bird? No?
They're all lovebird. They just ate bird.
The chicken.
Yes, that's a bird.
Expensive bird. These days it's very expensive in Malaysia. It's cheaper to eat fish. So this valley you can see on that side. Okay, Penang Hill is a collection of different hills actually. Like we have the Tiger Hill on that side. That is the Western Hill. We have the Halliburton Hill. great here, Strawberry Hills. All of these different hills make up Penang Hill. Actually, the highest peak on Penang Hills is on that side, 833 meter above sea level.
Is it now protected? There's no building will be allowed.
On that side, yes. Later, as we walk along the trail, some of the tree you will see red color marking on it, because anything beyond that marking is protected by the forestry department.
Okay.
So, let's say for us, if you want to go down there to do anything, we need to get permission as well. This one,
Wild eggplant.
Terong pipit.
Yeah, terong pipit. Wild eggplant. I use that as bullet.
And of course, we have a lot of wild bananas. You can look around. A lot of visitors, when they come and see our wild banana, they assume that the monkeys will be around here all the time. No, the monkeys never come and eat the banana. They're not that interested in banana. Wild banana tastes astringent, kalat. So not a big fan.
Wait.
Necklace orchid.
Something happened last night.
Let me see. Of course, we have the seed pod of the orchid. So these are all harvested from the wild to put here. Last time, this area used to be very dense. It was like that. In 2018, there was a heavy rain that caused Penang to get flooded. So this area all collapsed. There was a major landslide. Yeah, everything slid down.
Fungus to germinate.
Oh, this one, sandere.
That's why, because orchids is without endosperm, the food reserve inside the seed.
Yes.
That's why it needs the fungus association in order to germinate. Yeah.
Yes, actually, yes. I noticed that it's not easy. If it's that easy, this area will be covered in orchids already.
Unless you find the fungus.
The fungus.
It's very specific fungus.
The germinate. Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Do we have any cucumber fruits right here? So this is a creeping cucumber. Every time I walk around here, I always let the visitor try them. Pernah dengar timun tikus?
Timun tikus.
Timun tikus. Have you seen it before? Sir? Never. Mice cucumber. Tikus is rats or mice. But the reason why it's called like that because it's so small size. Oh, there it is. Right here, yeah.
Wow.
Is it gherkin? Gherkin.
Yeah. So if anyone would like to try, feel free to have yourself. It's nice actually. It really tastes like normal cucumber. Yes. Very tiny. The reason why it's called tikus, like mice, not because it is small. It looks like rat's dung, rat's poop. Hence the tikus. We thought that it's because it's small, but no.
So, patut panggil apa ni?
Timun tai tikus.
Yes.
Then it will repel people. They don't want to try. This is timun tai tikus.
Some people repel each other, but they still live together.
Very deep. So you can see this compromise. So this area, you can see is denser than that side. That side is very open. Here you can hear more of cicadas call. And if you guys would like to, because I'm not part of your group, because you've been traveling along the whole time, it's up to you if you want to take off your mask. It's free, fresh air here. It's up to you. But for me, I'll keep my mask on all the time because I don't know, what if I'm a carrier? So you guys can feel free to breathe in the fresh air. Because in the forest, we have this chemical called phytoncide. It's very famous in Japan because it's one of those chemicals that can help boost immune system. So yeah, if you feel like want to breathe in the fresh air, feel free to do so. And you actually pick a good day to come, weekday, middle of the week. Yeah, you get to, yes.
The weather is lovely.
Yeah, the weather is lovely as well. You get to avoid the crowd. Keep an eye out on the forest floor also because it's been, raining a lot the past few weeks. Not just the lumut, not just the algae that need to be concerned of. We have to be worried about snakes also.
You might trip over the big roots.
Yes. Oh, this is Terentang Daun Besar. Terentang Daun Besar. If you look at the size of the leaf,
that is like some things you use in sports to bet.
To bet people. So you can see the root, the batu shoot of this, Terentang, Campnosperma. Very big. Later at the canopy bridge, you get to see more of them also.
Terentang.
Terentang, Daun, Besar. Oops. Oh, you can go ahead. Sorry. Ah, yes. We have Pakusoro. This is elephant fern, Dipteris conjugata.
Where is the sport?
This one, no?
No.
Oh, let me see. Oh, this is another plant hopper.
It's usually on the underside of the leaf, the spot.
The spore, yes.
Maybe the old
This one is still young. Anyone want to learn about forest layer? So for those who don't join the guided walk, we of course we have all these signages to help them to understand our rainforest here. By the way, the type of the forest that we have here on Penang is hill dipterocarp forest. But later you will understand why it's called hill dipterocarp forest. When you go to the treetop walk, you'll see all the dipterocarps, the crown of the dipterocarps up there later. Rasa nak quiz the student pula. What is dipterocarps?
Actually, I just explained to them a few weeks ago.
Really? Let's see if they remember. Another pandan.
Ask what does it mean literally? Because it's Latin, dipterocarp.
Yes.
Di is what?
Two.
Tero?
Wing.
Carp?
Fruit.
Oh, excellent. Hey.
Hey, as they got A for literal translation.
But why only 4 students joining, like instead of like a whole class?
These are interns.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, master wannabe.
What's the one of it? Okay. I see. Right, we have reached the canopy bridge here. So, are you familiar, Ashraf? Are you familiar with, I call you Dr. Ashraf ke? Prof. Ashraf ke?
Amin.
Amin. Ashraf is which one? Oh, yang booking is the student. This is prof or doctor?
That's a prof.
Yeah, doctor.
No, just call me Amin.
Call you Amin, okay. So, Amin, are you familiar with Mac Lohman?
What's that?
The canopy scientist, Mac Lohman.
I do not know people. I only know
Okay, all right. So, if I don't say, it was in 2017. So, the Habitat Penang Hill, we collab with a lot of scientists around the world, and we had a BioBlitz here, Penang BioBlitz. So, they dispatch all these different scientists from different fields into the forest to search for different new species, actually, which we did found a few new species. And one of the pioneer who initiated this idea, other than our founder, is Dr. Mac Lohman. She's a known canopy scientist, but I guess not so known since you don't know her.
I think she's more popular with the forestry people.
Probably,
Yeah,
yes.
studying dendrology. Arboretum.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, because it's involving forest.
Yes.
Yeah,
True.
we do agriculture. We do choy sam,
Pak choy. So it was from her that we, of course, we already know this from all the different papers saying that most of the activities in the forest happen on the canopy layer. So the idea behind why we have this canopy bridge is that so that for us human, it's easy for us to see the canopy levels, activities, because we should go onto the canopy bridge and look for ourselves. Right. It's 230 meter long. So if you look down, imagine you're on a forest floor. When you want to see animals up there, like you have to look up for a very long time just to see the animals' activities. From here, I can safely tell you, sometimes you just stand there and just stare at the monkeys doing their thing, their behavior. It's so fun. So our canopy bridge, we call it the Langur Way. Langur? Familiar?
Yeah.
The monkey just now. Yes. So that last time when they were building this canopy bridge, there were a lot of cables down here that holding onto these concrete slabs. But the monkeys also very smart. They use shortcut. Just use the cable and they reach the other side instead of jumping. So time to time they do hang around here actually. The dusky leaf monkey. That's why it's very fun having this canopy walk. We do have our night exploration here as well. I love it when we do night walk here. We can see the red giant flying squirrel so near, like just right in front of us, instead of like
Flying squirrel.
Yes, flying squirrel. The red giant flying squirrel. There was one evening, it was gliding from that tree to this one. Oh, wonderful. So we have Macaranga, as you can see. We have our cinnamomum also, cinnamomum porrectum. This is wild cinnamon tree. And a lot of, if you see, I bet you see a lot of this orange flower on Penang Hill. African tulips.
Liriodendron tulipa.
Should be tulipa. African tulips.
Yeah. African tulip tree.
Yes, it is. Actually, it's an introduced species lah. No, the
Which one is the cinnamon tree?
this one,
Cinnamon.
Porrectum
Yeah, the one we have in UPM, cinnamon Immerse. INERS.
RS. So we have porrectum here. One of the most active tree in the forest here. We have seen python up there, flying squirrel, even civet also, palm civet. Oh, okay. Look at you. You see the spider here?
Yeah.
So this is one of those ant mimicking spider.
Ant mimicking.
Yes.
Ant mimicking, that's the key.
Yes.
Ant mimicking.
There are a lot of biomimicry.
Picture of arachnite. I want this arachnite.
So, picture.
Picture of arachnite.
We do have tarantula in here as well, but the recent one, moved. Not sure whether it moved or got eaten. We don't know also.
Is it the one that killed the husband?
Yes.
Okay.
I think a lot of the spider kill the husband, isn't it?
See? Poor husband. Why?
They actually willingly, the moment they approach the female, they know they might become food.
The black willow.
I mean, a lot of like widow. Black widow. Actually, not just like black widow, like a lot of spiders in general. The female feed on the male. Even like sometimes the male also willingly being eaten because they know that the purpose that the female has to feed is because
There's no point to fight.
that's one of it.
It's bigger. You're carrying the baby.
True. Yeah, because the female carrying the baby. Yeah, because the female carrying the baby, so it's okay for the female to feed on the male. Now you can look down. Then yes, I hope you're not that afraid of height. So
Anybody suffering from vertigo?
oh yes.
Long time.
If you have any height phobia, need to let me know also because we have treetop walk next.
Don't look down, look up.
Look up. But we have a visitor before. He get that like disoriented feeling when he look up on the sky.
Oh.
Yeah, instead of look down. Yes.
Humans are colorful.
Yes. Oh, there it is. You see that butterfly, the white one over there? So that is the one that which the caterpillar feed on the Hoya. Look down here also.
Any durian tree?
In here we have wild durian
I want to
actually.
show them.
Oh, but not the plant. Actually, later when you go down by the train, just look on the side. You probably still can see some durian fruits. It's towards the end of the season already. I hope you had some durian
Last night.
last night.
Ice cream, not the actual. Yeah, it's like introductory course to durian.
Oh yes. Very well done. Yes, you need to start them slowly, mild one first. Yes.
And then give the real stuff.
Give the real stuff, correct? Now towards the end of the season already for durian. Yes. This is a nice spot to take photo. Come.
With me.
Yes. Come.
With me.
Oh, Wi-Fi ka? I think this is the better from here. Going there. Come, I take for you guys lah. Come.
Tak apa, dah masuk dah sekali. Cepat with me. Okay.
Okay.
Kenapa ada extra heads?
Oh, there you go. You see that white butterfly gliding so relaxed, like zero worries in the world. So that is the smaller wood nymph, which caterpillar feed on the Hoya just now. So this smaller wood nymph is considered as poisonous butterfly. Of course, if you touch it, it won't affect you. You have to actually eat it, swallow, feed on the butterfly. Yeah, then
Wood
you get.
Sound mystical.
We have smaller wood nymph, and we also have tree nymph.
Tree nymphs.
Butterfly.
Do you have forest sprites?
No, that one I don't know. So yes, if you see those butterfly that are flying so relaxed like that, chances is they are the poisonous butterfly. Yes, you see the color that white, nothing like plain color.
Yeah.
Poisonous. Because I'm aware that some people assume that very bright colored one to be the poisonous one. Sometimes it's not. Some also mimicry. We have
Don't assume that. Usually the small person talk the loudest.
some kecil-kecil cili api cili padi salah.
It's true.
That's true.
It's true.
Hello.
Excuse me?
Yes.
The exit from here?
Yeah, just go straight.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It has to, this bridge has to move a little bit to absorb the impact. If it's too still, then might crack. This is the Terentang Daun Besar just now. This is the fruit for Sunda Kubong. It's a gliding nocturnal animal, which probably the origin of Pontianak. Yes. So this is Kolugo. We have this inside here. We do occasionally see them during daytime. Yes. You see the color? It can camouflage very well. So that's why it's so very, very well. Yeah. The nighttime also we can spot it because of the eye shine, and also because they're gliding at night.
It's a monkey.
No.
It's a kind of like a bat.
It belongs to it's not related to bats also. It's totally in its own family. Yes. So Sunda Kolugo. Last time they used to call it lemur, but it's not actually a lemur. Not related at all.
Is it a rodent?
Yes, if I'm not mistaken. Can check again. Double check again. So this is their fruit tree. Actually, at nighttime we will shine lights on this tree because they will come here and eat. Keep an eye on all this big Terentang Daun Besar tree. You might be able to see them. If you see a little bit of movement, sometimes they shake while they sleep, then we can spot them. And here you can see wild orchid. This one is a necklace orchid. We have necklace orchid all the way up here. If you look down here, you see why some orchids can be expensive. the location to get it, not easy. We have a lot of ferns, all these epiphytes, very common. Rengas. Anyone want to hug the rengas? Okay, rengas you have to be aware of, yeah. But one time, two of our staff, I don't know why they choose to have conversation here. So they were chatting, and at the end of the day, both of them go back with like itchiness, like rashes on their body. So Pokok rengas, they have this sap right here. You see the black colors sap. So if you touch it, it can cause irritation. I think the time when they was standing here, probably it was fruiting. Yes, it was dropping down on them, and then both of them.
This looks like durian.
This is actually Myristica. Myristica related to nutmeg.
Nutmeg. Right. Okay. That's Myristica Fergus.
Yes. Okay.
Pala.
Now I'm gonna ask you. Do you know Dr. Saw?
Again.
Solengguan. Dr. Solengguan used to be the curator for Penang Botanic Garden. So when he was the curator there, he come up here very often. He helped us to identify some of the key species here. Like for this example, we have all these signages here. Thanks to him, helped us to identify them. Yeah. According to him, this related to nutmeg. Myristica. You can pluck the leaf. Try smell the leaf. It smells a little bit like guava to me. Jambu. Let's smell like jambu.
Jambu batu.
Another arachnid here. So here we have a jumping spider. Jumping spider is very famous among children.
They're very cute.
Yes, there's a cartoon named Lucas,
I don't know.
a spider cartoon. So if you look at it, come closer to see. I'm not sure if you can see. It has like beautiful eyes.
Yeah,
like
so
oh, there you go. Jump. So the thing that I kept catching on is the silk. So every time they jump, on your shoes, there it is. So yes, every time they jump, so for spiders, right, when they walk, as they walk around, they keep attaching the silk on the surface. That's why when it jumps just now, the silk is still attached to me. That's why I can keep pulling it up. Yeah. Macro photographer love jumping spider. I think I have.
So pretty, their eyes.
Yes. Have you seen? I think you probably seen it somewhere before for sure.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Go.
Let me see, spider. We have a lot of spiders here. I hope. Yeah, there it is. This is how jumping spider look close up. The eye, you see.
That looks like arachnid for Harry Potter. You know.
No, this is cute.
Actually, spiders are kind of cute. Subjective. Careful not to step on it. Poor fella. So you can see, because we are on northern side of Malaysia, So I can say that this part of the forest is kind of semi-deciduous because we do have certain trees change color actually. The leaf turns red and then they'll shed the leaf. Only some trees.
We got autumn.
Kind of, yeah. At least we have autumn, right? Our own what kind of autumn. So we do have some trees that shed leaves. Like for this case, by the way, this one is not one of those trees. For this Macaranga, this is Macaranga. Mahang, Pokok Mahang in Malay. So the young leaf will have reddish color like this. This is one of their defense mechanism. I would say they're very smart to prevent animals feed on the young leaf. They have different color. Yes, Pahang. Pahang is named after this from this tree. Actually, this tree you can find it anywhere there is a forest clearing. They are one of those species that grow in secondary rainforest. They are indicator actually, but is secondary rainforest bad? Not necessarily actually. In secondary rainforest you can see more birds compared to primary rainforest.
It's not bad. People buy second-hand items all the time. it's free now.
The way you compare things is always mind-blowing. Oh, there's a squirrel. Very chunky one. So this is one of the very common squirrels in our forest, plantain squirrel. Easy to identify the side, there's a black line, and at the end of the tail there is orange color. Plantain squirrel. This one is very healthy one. Okay, let me scan around this tree. Sometimes we do have flying lizard in here. This is yes, flying lizard.
Lizard with wings.
Lizard with not as
underarm extension.
Yes.
Yes.
Patagium, yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Which one?
Look at that.
Yeah, the squirrel, the plantain squirrel. See, chunky. I'm sure.
The tip of the tail.
The tip. This is how you tell it. The tip of the tail, orange color.
Orange color. Yeah.
We have another species here, very large one. I'm not sure. Have you seen it before? The black giant squirrel.
I've never seen a giant squirrel.
Never once. Okay.
How big is it?
How giant is that?
Very big, very big, very big. If you look at this,
Including tail.
yes, including tail, including tail,
That's my
body, tail.
Okay.
Later, let's see if there's any major movement on the trees, like something jumping around. Yeah, we can check it out. Like, let me see. There's a tree behind here that is also their, fruit tree.
Sukun. Breadfruit.
Yes, breadfruit. Yes, another Artocarpus.
Morrissey. The breadfruit.
Right here, jackfruit. Same genus.
Without the smell. This one hasn't got any smell. The bread.
Need to belanja. The professor eat the cucur sukun. Okay.
Sukun fritters.
Yes, sukun fritters.
Alah, lapang. Tak ada bawa apa.
Dah makan tak tadi, everyone?
RNR.
You guys just came from.
No. We went pagi tadi pergi museum padi Alostar.
Oh my
And
god.
then come back here.
You guys really go around, huh?
Yeah. It's okay, we got driver.
Very packed.
So if anything's like falls down or collapses, it gets repaired or removed.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So it's not totally wild in that sense.
Oh no, not
So,
totally.
yeah.
We do clear the trail.
You clear
Every
the
morning
trail.
we have a
Yeah.
blower to clear all the dried leaf.
Yeah. Here, but on the floor of the forest.
Oh no.
So if
Just-
that tree got old and fell down, you just.
I will just leave it be. Unless it fall on the trail.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm scanning around for for flying lizard actually. This area is one of the hot spot. This one, pisang kera. Pisang kera. So pisang kera, confirm tak kenal kan Isyad Mubarak?
Soalan jangan. Dah tahu je.
So there is a naturalist in Langkawi. He came here before. He did a guided walk for us, the staff. So he shared with us this tree here, which is called pisang kera. It's good for sinus actually. You take you harvest the plant, you cut the stem and then burn middle of the stem and just smell it. It helps with sinus.
To make
To clear your tract. Yes, we have a lot of this around.
one is quite prevalent here. It's called kata.
Qatar, yeah.
Qatar,
Really good to
Qatar,
get here as well.
There, over there, before I forgot, like there is another pandanus over there actually. You see those smaller leaf? There is another species of pandanus, yes,
Yeah.
on the tree.
Those are the
That one is pollinated by bats, according to Dr. Saw. Yeah, but I'm not sure. Like,
bats.
I guess the fruit bats feed on the fruit.
Maybe that's doing part time.
Part-time. Then the student confused in the head. Yes. This is one of the nocturnal animals. Yep.
Yeah.
So the way that this is different from the colugo just now. Remember the one I told you just now? Colugo, the membrane, the skin covers all the way to the tail. So that's why when they move on trees, they hop. They can't really move like normal squirrel. But for flying squirrels, yeah, they have their toes, everything is not covered by the skin membrane. They can move easily like normal squirrel. And when they decided they want to glide, they just open the membrane and glide. Very different. And color also very different as well. Philodendron. One of the favorite plant during pandemic. So we have one giant swing here. If anyone want to stop for pictures.
Anybody feeling like a lonely princess? Go swing.
Yeah, we have one here. The next one is either inside. Let me see.
Ambil gambar elok juga.
Ambil gambar. Yeah. Go ahead and take some photos.
Duduk. Tak bela.
There's another artocarpus right here.
Which one?
Yeah, this one right here. Yeah, we have one. Yes.
So those ones that make very large seeds.
The fruit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
A bit different from how jackfruit normally look like.
Yeah.
Are you familiar with tarap? Tarap.
No.
Another species of jackfruit.
Yeah.
Artocarpus. Yeah, the fruit is like how to say? Nak kata berbulu tak juga. Tarap. The surface of the skin.
It's blunt, spiky.
Blunt, spiky.
But it's blunt.
Okay, not,
So,
not
yes.
spiky.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's like a outgrowth of the epidermal.
Yeah.
That's the scientific way to say it.
Yes.
Epidermal outgrowth.
Okay. Alright, everyone got. Oh, baru nak set up. Set up lah.
Dah ambil dah.
Dah ambil dah. Oh, ni kan baru nak pasang. Wait.
Apa lagi?
Butterfly, busy, clumsy. You see the way that one flying?
Ya, tampak.
That one is non-poisonous one. So yeah, the way it flies is very clumsy because they want to get eaten by bird.
Kind of relax.
Relax.
Somebody going to touch me.
Can't hurt me. Agriculture kan? Okay.
Ini forestry.
Tak. Depan ni we got herb garden. Ni, karipole. So
Family apa?
Kejap. Family. Kalau scientific ni boleh pula ke family.
Murah. Lagi,
Yes.
Citrus family. Rutaceae.
Really?
Yes. What about?
Curry leaf. Curry leaf is a citrus. Oh wow, I didn't know that.
Rutaceae.
Oh,
in Malaysia, Rutaceae.
Rutaceae. So yeah,
British, they pronounce it AC.
AC. Rutaceae.
Rutaceae.
I
Kita
see.
panggil Rutaceae.
Yes, over here we say Rutaceae, Poaceae,
So dia panggil Poaceae.
Poaceae. That's a new one for me.
Europe punya pronunciation good.
Europe or just like in American?
Italian pronounce it that way too.
What about American?
American Rutaceae.
Like us.
Yes.
Okay.
American.
Okay, so yeah, this is our very simple herb garden around here. Of course, we have curry leaf and this one,
Apa?
Daun ni. Come on. Ah, betul. This is turmeric here, by the way, Professor. Yes, because when we walk around with the visitors, they're so familiar with the powder, but they never actually see the plant itself. Yeah, this is our turmeric.
Okay,
If you touch it, it's going to be all yellow.
Yes, the powder is coming from the rhizome, dried it, grind it, then you got the powder. But in Malaysia, the whole plant is edible.
Yeah, all right.
The leaf can be eaten. Yes. Yeah, we have African tulips here also. So the okay. So the animals that love this African tulips is the dusky leaf monkey. They don't really eat the flower. They pluck it and suck on the nectar at the tip here, and then after that they just keep throwing it down. Yeah, if you see a lot of orange flower around here, that's coming from them
So
plucking.
they're littering the forest.
They help us to trim the tree sometimes. jumping around, something broken. So we have kado. Our turmeric is flowering right now. So this is the flower. The flower is also edible. It tastes like guava, according to one of the junior staff here. I let her try. Yes. And we have this is all from, they are related to pepper, the black pepper. Pepper. This is sireh, pepper beetle, and this is kado. Kado also piper actually, but I forget about the species. The difference between these two, this one is only for chewing. This one can be eaten. It's edible. You can actually in one very famous Thai cuisine, Miang Kam. Miang Kam is this a Thai cuisine. Miang Kam, they have paste, they have peanuts. They will wrap it with this leaf and eat it. But this is the one that the local people will chew with bitter nut and get the sweet orange color one. Yes, this is that one. My grandpa, when I was young, I used to have this nose bleeding problem, and he planted this. I mean, he does like chew on this leaf also. But whenever I get a nosebleed, he will actually pluck this leaf and roll it, and ask me to shove into my nose
To stop what?
to stop the bleeding.
To stop the bleeding.
Yes. And so it was when I pull it out, you can see a lot of the blood clot on the leaf. Yeah. So whenever I smell this, it gives a very nostalgic smell. So this is the smell. It's actually very fragrant. It is available in a lot of our Malaysian products also, like for cleaning. Daun sireh.
Javanese.
This one kado. Kado sireh.
In the past, people do not have a toothbrush. Besides the comb that they got from the woods, they use this. Just chew on it. It kind of has the cleansing effect on the palate.
There is one dish in Malaysia, rendang. Chicken rendang, beef rendang. Yeah, they always add the turmeric leaf in it. Part of the edible parts of this plant. I would always say it's the most versatile ginger, because almost every part is edible, from the rhizome to the flower to the leaf, except for the stem.
Curcumin is very good for your brain. Yeah. If you're yes.
Isn't that what caused like hyperactivity in like some people?
Like what? Sugar?
No, not sugar. Like turmeric actually. Feeding too much turmeric can also actually cause people to get very hyperactive.
I did read it increase metabolism.
Then digest very fast. Turmeric is one of the reasons like why people get hyperactive actually, like from our reading and also sharing among all the guides here. So
Just eating too much turmeric.
yes, eating too much turmeric. So I'm not sure.
You see, in Indonesia they have jamu, right? So
Yes.
This is one of the main ingredients.
Yes, main ingredient,
They do it
yes.
Early in the morning.
Yes.
It just I know a word. Vasodilation.
Vasodilation.
Yes, it opens the blood vessel. Kind of similar effect with the beetroot.
Yeah.
Nitrous oxide in the blood increases the blood vessel, so everything flows smoothly. You get
Happy.
Yeah. You're
Very
ready
happy.
to go.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
So-
Vasodilation.
Yeah.
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 Yes.
Similar effect like the beetroot.
Okay. Yeah. Misai kucing, same. This one. Come. I always love sharing this one with the visitors around.
Okay.
Come. I already know.
Yeah.
Come. All right. Okay. Come. You guys go around. You can break it, tear it. Yeah. You can touch it, smell it. Yes. Crush it.
I recognize the smell.
Yeah.
Familiar with that
Yeah.
smell?
What is it?
Come on, Jan, come on.
I don't know. I do recognise it though.
Yes.
I think the leaf is
Oh,
quite deceiving. Like when you look at the leaf, it confuses you.
What is it? I forgot.
This is a sawtooth coriander, actually.
Coriander?
Yes.
It
Yes.
just doesn't look like
It
it.
does look
It just
coriander.
doesn't look like it. But now it's getting famous because it's very easy to grow.
Javanese.
Javanese coriander, very easy to grow now. Even in market, you can find it already. Like we always use the usual one, the usual cilantro. But I would say this one is much better. You just take one leaf, just one piece of leaf, can cover the whole dish. You can get coriander taste in the whole dish of tom yum. And yes, our aphrodisiac plant. Familiar with this one?
I know.
Ilang-ilang, kenanga odorata. So this ilang-ilang, very famous in making perfume and also essential oil. I'm gonna get one of the flower to let you smell. But this one, there's a lot of ants on it. Oh yeah. Oh. Come, you guys can share it. Yes, it smells so nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can pass her. Wangi. So dia aphrodisiac, dia menaikkan mood. It is actually one of the main ingredient in Chanel number 5. This ilang-ilang. Yeah. Yes. So ladies in the olden days like to put it behind their ear.
It comes from the plant. Actually.
Yeah.
They use
But
the vanilla, sandalwood. They mix it up. And
is it a trade secret?
the percentage of it.
Yes.
And also the emulsifier.
Okay, we'll break it.
Yeah.
Blend. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why they use the vomit of the whale
Okay,
as a binder.
Yeah.
As a binder, yes, very expensive.
Very, very expensive.
So yeah, okay. Of course, the touch me not. I think everyone probably know already. So actually, touch me not is very good for mosquito bite. Apparently, so if you get any mosquito bite, you can experiment. You take the leaf.
Nobody got it so far.
No, nobody. Very good.
All good.
All good. Just put it on the mosquito bite. It really helps to reduce the swelling. Got one colleague got mosquito bite right on the forehead, very big one. Then crush, put out there, few minutes, and it's gone.
Oh,
The
Mosquito bite or acne?
mosquito bite.
Pop.
Yes, pop and then zoom. Yes, it works. It works. It works better than the normal mosquito cream. Penang. So Penang Island is named after a palm tree, Pokok Penang. Got something up there, is it? Keangin. Just the way. Another Terentang. So we have our bromeliad plants here. Okay, Bromeliaceae, the family for pineapple. So look at the way it grows. It looks like pineapple growing. And inside this plant, we have our resident creature living inside here. I will try to find one for all of you. Agak-agak apa? What do you think live inside this? Other than mosquito, of course. Frogs, tadpole. Let me see. So this creature, it's a nocturnal creature. Actually, during daytime can be a bit hard to find them. Oh, found it. Okay. So I will try not to scare it too much. There you go.
all right. Oh, it's a crab.
Yes.
Amazing.
It's not what I was expecting.
No,
It's a
Nobody
crab.
got the answer so far.
It's a crab.
So yes.
It's a
So this terrestrial crab.
terrestrial crab.
It's called Penang Hill vampire crab. It is actually an endemic species to Penang Hill.
okay. Wow.
It discovered in 2016 by Professor Peter Ng from National University of Singapore. So this right here, pretty much the general average size of this crab. Actually, it can grow bigger, maybe the size of my nails for the carapace, and that's it. Doesn't grow any bigger. And
It
it's
doesn't have. I know it does have the pincers.
yeah, it does have the pincer. The parts that's missing is the swimming legs.
Right.
It doesn't have flipper. It doesn't need to swim
Okay.
because up here it needs this pointy legs to help it to walk on the surface. So this crab, the scientific name is called Josusama faustum. Faustum means lucky. So in Batu Cave, they have another species, Josusama batuensis. It's a Batu Cave. Batuensis, yeah, Batu Cave.
They should change the batu into Latin. There's a word for it.
Anna,
Little.
they want to take credit of the place. This one should have been Penangensis, but Singaporean found it, so different name. If Penangite found it, it probably become just sama Penangensis already. So yep, this is one of our nocturnal species actually. Nighttime, so easy to find them. They can just sit here. And very good, we are more than happy to have this living in our plants because they help us to control the mosquito here. They feed on mosquito. This is an accidental observation. So we were keeping like a lot of tadpoles in a small little aquarium, 3 frogs tadpole. 3 frogs tadpole, they feed on mosquito. Every time we kill one, we drop in, the tadpole will feed on them. And then there this one time, one of colleague found this on the trail, so pick it up. We put inside the aquarium together with the tadpole. You know, like usual, every time we kill mosquito, we throw it inside. We notice this crab go after it and feed it. That's how we know, they actually feed on mosquito. Hence why they love this plant also. Like with all this water here, it's a perfect breeding ground for mosquito and buffet for the crab. So I'm going to return it back into the plant. Yeah, Penang Hill vampire crab. The reason why it's called vampire crab, not because it's blood-sucking crab. The species they found in Indonesia has yellow eye. When they shine lights onto it, it becomes reddish color. It looks like vampire. Yeah, you can try, look around. They hide very well during daytime because you see that is the adult size. So coming out during day, that means it's a suicide. The birds will come and feed on them. There is the tree nymph. You see that big one over there? See how big that one is? Yeah, that one is tree nymph. Just now we saw the smaller wood nymph only. Oh.
NYMPH. Lepas tu dia jadikan Nia sebab dia lembut-lembut.
Really?
It's from the word nymph actually. Because nymph it glides gracefully.
Yes.
Look at the nymph.
Glide gracefully.
Yeah.
Full of arts. Okay. Uncle. Mana? Ginger, Alingera. This one is the earth ginger. The flower will grow on the ground one. Reddish color flower, scarlet earth ginger.
Bukan
Bukan bukan.
Dia ada satu apa? Genus. Tapi dia
Genus dia Alingera.
Alingera sama macam kantan.
Kantan, yes. The way it grows also sama macam kantan.
It's the color of the stem.
The stem, yes, correct. The stalk.
Botanically. Leaf stalk. Okay. Nampak ada stem kan?
Oh. Here we have Macaranga gigantea. So you see the leaf is very big. So last time Ishad, who is the naturalist from Langkawi, so he shared with us before plastic. This used to be how people wrap food. Put inside and then just fold. He did it in a way that where it stays still. It stays very still. You know, this day with plastic or our bags and just put like this, maybe poke through. Then it'll stay still. Yeah, there you go. Maybe like this. Everything inside it. if it's me wrapping it, yeah, that will be what happens. So this, yep, the original wrapper. Oh, Hoya up there. So this is them in their natural habitat, epiphytic plant. You heard that? Yeah, Recatail drongo, one of the most opportunist bird in here. I think you probably have seen it at least once if you go around in Malaysian forest. Birds with very beautiful long tail. The ragged tail drongo. One of the chetty bird. Here you go. See this? Later if you suddenly see like a black colored bird flying with a long tail, yeah, that will be the bird. So this bird actually always go around with the monkey just now, the dusky leaf monkey. They have a symbiotic relationship going on. I help you, you help me. But actually this one more of an opportunist. They help to warn the monkey if they are eagles. The monkey return it in a way that they allow the birds to go around with them. So you see when monkey jump, right, it shakes the whole tree. The branches, all the insects, cicada, stick insect will fly. They will fly away, and then the bird just come. It's not. Okay, almost halfway. We're almost at the treetop already. So from up there later we can see the deep throat cups around here. Meranti. Nanti. From up there you can see. Meranti is very easy to identify. You see like silverish crown, like broccoli. Meranti.
How about the stem?
The stem, very straight. The trunk, very straight. Later we have one next to the trail. Yeah, this is what I mentioned earlier on. You see the red lines along here. So anything beyond that part is protected. So for us, we need to get permission if we want to enter that part of the forest. Okay, this way. Andaman tent. This is our Andaman tent. It's in our event space actually. We do have conference, meeting.
Like teaching or...
Teaching, yes. There's classes here as well. The Habitat, we have a sister organization named the Habitat Foundation. So the Habitat Foundation works with a lot of NGOs, also schools around the island. Sometimes they do have like outdoor class where they come to the park to do their nature activities. So this is one of the places where they can have classes. Yeah, UPM, come here. Anybody with water bottles, if you want to refill your drinks, we have water dispenser here. You wash your hand, and then drink like that also can. Yeah, you can see a lot of Nepenthes right here. So any fans of Nepenthes? Nepenthes, Albo Marginata. Yes. So we have, yeah, this is one of the, I originally thought there are 2 species here on the hill, but apparently there are 3 species. So yeah, this is young. Yeah, someone broke it already. Yeah.
Clever leaf modification.
Yes, leaf modification. Yes. Have you seen the flower before for Nepenthes?
No.
Not really. The flower is nice also. So we're going up this way.
That's big. It's a bunch of
They love acidic soil, so it's a good indicator of like the.
the Venus flytrap.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's the same.
They live in the bog area, right?
Yeah.
So unlike Venus flytrap, it doesn't close. Yes, just lure the. Yep, lure the insects in. But then some insects actually have a symbiotic relationship with them. And ironically, it's the mosquito.
Yeah, be friend with the sun.
We hope that they help to take away the mosquito, but no. They work with the mosquito. The mosquito will lure insects in, and then the mosquito get a home. This is a new one here. You can see this is where it will come out from later. Ya, boleh. Break game. So you can have a seat if you want to, rest for a bit.
Playground, of course. You can mulch.
Yeah, this ground has been like flat like this since the 1800s. Used to be a place for the British play lawn tennis. Yeah, play tennis. During the Japanese occupation also, they use this as a marching ground.
Yeah,
So whenever you're ready, everyone can take a rest a bit first.
Let's have one group picture.
Group picture. Okay, sure. So this is our Curtis Crest Street Walk. Ada.
Guna tangan je.
Oh ya kan? Haus tadi. Panas. Today is very hot.
Okay lah.
Sunny.